So today we'll be removing the broken LCD from a Samsung QX410 laptop. They've actually made this quite simple to do, though I wasn't able to find any instructions on it, so I kind of figured it out myself. All you have to do, we have 4 rubber stoppers here. All you have to do is pull those out, place them right on the screen beside it so you don't lose them. And then you're going to remove these 4 Phillips screws, and I use a Phillips 00 screwdriver, and I'll just go ahead and remove those. I've already done the bottom ones here, so now all you have to do is you're just going to go around the, start from the center here or wherever it's easiest to get your fingers in, and you're going to start unsnapping the lid. So just run your fingers down. You can use anything. I find the fingers work the best, and you just want to be popping out the clasps at the side here that keep this front bezel on. Once you get down here to the bottom, this is where I ran into some issues. You actually have to pry up these hinge covers. So I just use a flat blade screwdriver. You stick it in and just pop them out. There's one. 2, so you're trying to put the pressure on the front here, and then once that comes out, then you have the screen bezels all just put that aside. The next step is to take out the 4 Phillips screws here on the 4 placements here. It's the same screw, so it's actually nice that way where you're not looking at different ones. And so just pull these out. And then you have these 2 metal brackets here, so you're just going to bend those out of the way, tuck them behind the bracket, and then you want to just kind of drop your screen forward onto the keyboard, and you have a connector here. So the connector is stuck with a piece of tape, so just take that connector off, and then you're sliding backwards, and then that's come out. So now that's out. So I've got my new screen now, and all I have to do is pull that out and put it back in the exact way, the opposite way that we put it in. Now, just when you're reconnecting this connector, you just want to make sure that it's laying flat, and just you're putting all the pressure in horizontally there till it snaps, and then put the tape back on, and then kind of stick it behind these support arms, and that'll help. You can tip your screen back a bit, and that will help it just stay there when you're reattaching the screws. Other than that, I think you're good to go. Enjoy!